Hey, Team Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers. That's what I also call my members. And if you haven't become a member, take a look and see what it's all about and see what perks you will get. It'll be in the description below. So, and hello coin collectors, young and old, and everyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have a mint mail call from the US Mint, and I have 4 packages here, and we'll get into that right after this. Welcome back. Well, since we've got several of these, I'm going to set them aside and pick them up and go from there. Oh, crash. So we'll start off with this bigger one, and of course we'll do our surgical cut. Now I've taken all the labeling off, and let's get into this. We've got bubble wrap, and we have that, and our obligatory documents, obligatory paperwork in our bubble wrap, and an empty box. So we have a United States Mint proof set and 2023 proof set. So let's get into that, and it looks like it's got the women's quarters in it. And here we go. Now I know a lot of the American channels will already have had this, but I've been holding on to these for a bit because I've had so much going on with RCNA and illness and etc. Now these are proof sets, and we have here a $1 with Maria Tallchief. So they've extended the women theme onto the dollar, which is in the First Nations. And that's Maria Tallchief doing ballet. How cool is that? And of course the quarter, the dime, the penny, and the nickel. And you know what? That nickel looks like it's full steps. How cool is that? And there is the obverse of these coins. Very nice looking coins. And of course we have Washington here, and with his ponytail. And we'll switch it over, and we've got the women's quarters, and of course we've got Maria Tallchief here as well. So she is on both the quarter and the dollar. I never realized that before. That is very cool, and what an honor. Maria Tallchief. And we have Edith. It's probably going to be easier to read the names off of here. Edith Kanakoli. Edith Kanakoli. which is this one here. And Eleanor Roosevelt in the center, First Lady. Bessie Coleman in the top corner.
You on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, this babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen.
This is the new one. It's difficult to read on here, but through process of elimination, it would be Yorita Idar. And I really love the way they did this one. That is very reminiscent of some of the Canadian coins where they did a similar thing. And that's what was in the first package. And of course, there are actually their photos there. I'll let you see that. And this is not the silver proof set. It's upside down. But they're all San Francisco. So I don't know if you can read that, but there we go. That's what was in the first box. Now let's go in. I want to talk about these three shipments. This was all one purchase, and they sent it in 3 separate boxes, which means I had to pay import duties separately on all of these, which I don't mind doing. But every time you have import into Canada, the UPS charges a $15 service charge. So I had $45 charged between these 3 packages for a $3 tax. How ridiculous is that? They could have combined it and saved me $30. I don't know why they shipped each one separately. Now let's get into these. So I'll do the I need to set these aside up there and do the surgical cut. Let's go. I see the obligatory paperwork in the very top. Face up, so we'll take that out of the way. And we've got bubble wrap and a box that's sliding out. And we have a 2023 Morgan Dollar San Francisco. How cool is that? And here is the 2023 Morgan Dollar San Francisco. I'll let you read that if you... I don't know if you can read it. And this is 3/9 fine. And here we go. It was not in position, but there is the beautiful Lady Morgan. Lady Liberty Morgan. And flip it. And the eagle. They kept the old eagle on this one, but put the new eagle on the Walking Liberty one. That's the American eagle. There's some fuzz on here from this packaging. And the S mint mark is tiny, tiny between the D and the O. And I'll give you photographs of all of these. So We'll put that in there. Set that there. And we'll get into our next box. And cut through the surgical cut. I know I open this differently than most people do because they usually just rip out the ends of the boxes, but I don't do that. Take the obligatory paperwork away, and we have the 2023 Peace Dollar, and that's empty. We have the $20 Peace Dollar Philadelphia, and that's and I really appreciate the Royal Canadian Mint because they give better packaging for the Peace Dollar, for the Canadian Peace Dollar. And here we go. And now this is also 3/9 fine silver. And let you read that. And here we go. This is the Philadelphia Peace Dollar. Now this one is in the box, so it's not as simple to get out. There we go. And 2023. And they've got Alfred Weinman's insignia pretty brutalized in here. It's so small and it's kind of smushed. And of course we'll flip it. And of course there's no mint mark on this because it is Philadelphia. So that's 3 of the 4 packages. Now let's get the 4th package and see what that is. Well, cut the other side. Oh, come on. Cut better while on the table than I can holding it. So that's that. I didn't get it all the way through. There we go. And the obligatory papers on the bottom. And we have here a San Francisco Peace Dollar. I'll leave the paper in there because it's on the bottom. And this one's a San Francisco Peace Dollar. I'm not sure how different it is going to be to the regular Peace Dollar. So, okay. I'll let you. This one is San Francisco. Now look at the difference. That's the San Francisco. That's the Philadelphia with a matte background, and this one is San Francisco with a polished background. How cool is that? And flip it. And the S is just by the tail feathers of by the top of the tail feathers. And of course I'll give you photographs of all of these. So I hope that you've enjoyed seeing all of these lovely pieces. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.
I don't know where to go from here. Is it worth the fear? All alone, filling up with tears, and I'm hardly here. I am still burning slow. Do I stick it out now? Is it time to go? Keep winning.